Yo, one. So it's been a while. It's our first video in a long time. It is approximately about 12 o'clock right now, and I don't want to be yelling so when you can't hear me. So that's probably honestly. But right now we're gonna unbox something fun. I got into Shana to get a new tie, but me like it cause no quality I go up a little bit more. No, me have to force myself to vlog constantly, on a constant basis, consistency, and yeah, we got the Sony CyberShot. I tell you exactly, DSC-HX80. Let me get it because I did basically typical vlogging camera. Go ahead and open this. Come with instruction, a whole lot of instruction. Oh, more instruction. This right here. This is how it comes. Usually the charger, it doesn't matter, you take out the charger to charge it up. Come with a battery. This is the battery. And yeah. Come with a little strap so you can put it on so easy if you can in your hand. This is the bottom of the charger. It's a standard Android charger basically. And here comes the new family. Remember to the family. Empty box, just a receipt. Anything Ooh. Take it out nice and easy. It is the Sony CyberShot. The new vlog camera basically. Go ahead and put it in there. But that's basically it. You have a tripod, you have a computer, so I couldn't find my thing for my phone, my stabilizer. So basically I have to just use my tripod and just bent up. But yeah, new vlog camera. Yeah, I'm really putting a vlog now. Of the SD card. See, you have to open the button. Like right next to the button, the SD card. This should be good. Alright, so tell me if you don't notice the difference, the quality, because it's basically right next to my old one we used to use. I made a watch a review online how to format it. It still didn't tell me how to this clear. I really like this camera and the focus amazing. Like I go so close to my nose up a while, like you see all the wall going right there, so like, but yeah, for right now we're gonna start using this. Hopefully we can vlog more. Yeah, so look at more vlog.